Hello everybody, today we are test driving 2018 Ford Transit Custom, which came in with AdBlue problems. Problems has been solved. We are driving the van with a customer test drive. Sir, what can you tell us about your van? How was it driving before and how is the feeling? What kind of feeling did it give you?
I can give 5 stars. If I could give more, I would have done it. The van drives amazing. I feel like I'm driving a helicopter.
That's great.
I will say that because my van before was really weak and I didn't know what the problem is. Few mechanics was trying to fix it, but we didn't have results. Till I spoke to Errol, and then Errol accepted to check my van. He did really a good job within
in a short time as well, isn't it?
In a short time, and then my van is really to drive again. Really nice.
And the engine lights?
All the engine lights gone.
No engine lights.
I feel the van like brand new.
Are you happy, sir?
I'm very happy with the work that's been done.
Much.
Thank you very much, Errol.
Thank you very much, sir. We are Moorhouse Garage Ltd or Supreme Dpf Cleaning, located in Westerham, Kent. Our postcode is Tango November 16 to Echo Tango. We are the masters for what we do: DPF, EGR, AdBlue, NOx, SCR, high fuel consumption, black or white smoke issues. Power loss is our business. We do all kinds of work, electrical, mechanical. We are RAC Repair Center. You can give me a call on 07533636194 with all of those problems. We try to help you. Thank you very much. Please click on like button and subscribe my channel for further more educational videos. Thank you.